Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your one-stop destination for the latest job opportunity and career growth tips. There's exciting news from the Tesco. They are basically hiring for the decision scientist for their Bengaluru location, and this could be a fantastic opportunity for those looking to break into the data science field or advance their career. So, if you are passionate about data analytics, machine learning, and decision making in retail, stay tuned because we'll break down everything you need to know from the job titles, responsibilities, and benefits Tesco is offering. But make sure to watch till the end because I will be sharing some key tips to increase your chances of getting hired. Also, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to further notes for daily job updates and career insights because we are bringing three important updates, especially on this particular YouTube channel. So now let's dive into the details. So as you can see, the job is of a decision scientist, as you can see over your screen, and company is Tesco, and it's a full-time permanent opportunity which offers hybrid work model, and application deadline they have mentioned as 2nd of April. I mean, you just have 2 days to apply for this particular opportunity. So now let's directly discuss the job responsibilities out here. So as you can see on the screen, they have mentioned the responsibilities that you would be performing. So it will be something like identifying operational improvements and implementing solutions using CI tools, engaging with business teams to understand key priorities and develop data-driven solutions. Along with that, you'll also work with complex data set, preparing analytical models, apply machine learning techniques, build statistical models and predictive algorithms to drive decision making. Along with that, you'll also write structure and usable code on GitHub, Wikipedia, and other platforms. Along with that, you'll also be involved into developing interactive visualizations using Python, Tableau, and PowerPoint to present insights. Plus, you will think beyond the immediate business requirements and spot opportunities for data-driven improvements. So these are all going to be a kind of responsibilities once you join Tesco as decision scientist. But then if you love working with data and want to make an impact in the retail sector, this job is for you. The salary and benefits of Tesco is like they basically offer an industry competitive reward package that including a competitive fixed pay base salary plus industry standard bonuses and salaries, performance bonus as well, along with opportunity to earn annual bonus based on your performance, leave holidays, and many other benefits. Plus, you'll also get kind of overall 30 to 35 days of leave, including sick leave, casual leave, and all that. Plus, you'll also get 10 national and festival holidays, retirement benefits, medical insurance, mental well-being support, financial well-being like access to financial literacy coaching and salary advances. Plus, stock options as well. You will also convert from employee to Tesco shareholder with a save as you earn program. So you're also gonna get that benefit as well. And plus, there are other facilities like indoor and work-life balance and all that. And Tesco, truly cares about its employees, making it an amazing place to work with hybrid model and all other facilities that I just mentioned. Plus, now let's discuss the skills and qualification required for this particular role. So, as you can see over here, they are expecting you to have 1 to 2 years of experience in data science and technical skills in the mathematics, statistics, regressions, or data science forecasting, optimizations, plus programming experience in SQL, Hadoop, Python, all that required. And along with that, they're also expecting you to have a knowledge of BI tools like Tableau, MS Excel knowledge also required along with the PowerPoint. They also expecting you to have somewhat expertise in marketing, supply chain, customer merchandising, operations, plus strong analytical and thinking and problem solving skill, along with very good communication, storytelling, and presentation skill. So these are all the required skill sets and competencies required for this particular role. So if you meet this requirement, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. And apply link I have shared in the description. Go and check out the direct link. And that's it. If you are a data enthusiast, passionate about analytics and decision science, and want to work with one of the biggest global retailers, this is your chance. Don't miss out this opportunity. Apply before the deadline, and drop a comment below if you have any questions related to the role, or in kind of other expect things, and try to tailor your resume by adding some of the key points from the JD, so that the chances of getting shortlisting will increase. Stay ahead in your career by subscribing to Forge Onwards for more job updates and tech tutorials, because we are bringing three important hiring on this particular YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe it now and give a thumbs up if you like our work, and join our WhatsApp and Telegram job groups for daily job updates and career tips. Plus, you can subscribe to our other channel as well, which is Forge Tech, for in-depth tech tutorials related. Especially, we are coming for data analytics as of now with real-world projects and. That's it. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any opportunity, because once you upload the video, you'll directly get the notifications. So that's it from this video. Until next time, forge onwards. See you in the next video.